What is an mPOS, also known as a mobile point of sale system? Now, we first must start off with what is a point of sale system versus what is a credit card reader. So this right behind me, this is a POS, a point of sale system. Now, this is a traditional point of sale system where there is the point of sale itself and it is attached to things like an Ethernet cable or a power outlet. So this thing, you cannot pick it up and move it from place to place to take payments from your customers. Your customers have to come up to the POS or the point of sale system to actually charge your customers, take payments from your customers. Now, this is a traditional credit card reader where, it's just a standard credit card reader. You can punch in the amount that you want to charge your customer, and then you can go ahead and swipe right here on the side, or you can actually dip your customer's chip into the bottom to actually take that payment from them as well. However, this also needs a Ethernet cable and it also needs a power outlet to be plugged in right there on the back. So this is also not mobile. So what a mPOS or a mobile POS is this right here. So this actually combines a regular POS or a point of sale system, and it combines this credit card reader as well. But the best part about it is this thing actually turns on and it's completely mobile. There's a SIM card inside of this POS, this mPOS, just like how your smartphone has a SIM card. Now, typically the downside of using a credit card reader like this or a traditional point of sale system is actually the processing behind, the device. It's not just the device itself. For example, if you go with Square or Clover or Toast, typically you as the business owner, you're gonna have to pay 2.6% per transaction plus an additional 10 cents per transaction. So let's call that 3% for easy math. So for example, if your business does $30,000 in sales in any given month, you as the business owner are paying roughly 3% just to take those credit card, debit card, tap to pay, smartphone payments from your customer. So that's roughly $900 per month that you're paying either to the bank or to a credit card processing company. So at the end of the month, you are only left with $29,100, and you're basically flushing $900 down the toilet. You're burning it, you're throwing it in the air, right? You're wasting all of that money. However, if you use a mobile point of sale system, an mPOS, such as this, with the credit card processing that I'm about to show you, you can actually save all of that money. So if your business does $30,000 per month, you can actually eliminate all of those credit card processing fees, and you can actually keep all $30,000 in that month. You're not gonna have to pay that lump sum amount back to the credit card processing company. You can keep all that money. So let me show you how it works. All right, so this is what the inside of our mPOS or mobile point of sale system looks like. So we have a whole category of menus, which is all customizable, and we pre-selected these just so that we can show you exactly how this works. So say our customer comes into our store, or since this is mobile, we can physically go to our customer and take the payment from them and take their order from them. So say, for example, we have a restaurant and our customer wants to order a burger. So we're gonna tap on the burger. They want this barbecue burger. So we're gonna tap on barbecue burger here. So instead of fries, which is included with their meal, what we can do is we can actually remove the fries and we can replace that with truffle fries for an additional $2 there. So next, we're gonna select our meat temperature. We can choose medium well all the way down to well done. Our customer wants medium. Then we're gonna scroll over here and go to allergies. Now we wanna make sure that we cover all of the allergies, especially for a restaurant, because you don't wanna get sued if you accidentally give a customer something that they could potentially die from. So right here, our customer has a gluten allergy. So we're gonna go ahead and select that there. So in the kitchen, our chefs are gonna make sure that they give our customer, some type of gluten-free bun. So then next we're gonna go to toppings, and our customer also wants tomatoes, they want olives, and they want mushrooms. So now we can go ahead and add that to the cart. And then this is our cart right here, right down on the bottom. All we do is click on it, and it already accounts for the tax inside of their order. Then we can go ahead and click on pay. And this is the reason why you need this exact mobile point of sale system, mPOS, with this credit card processing, is because you have two prices here. You can charge your customer a cash price, or you can charge your customer a card price. If we charge our customer the higher price with the card price, your customer is the one who's paying the credit card processing fee and not you. And typically with other processors like Square, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Toast, you do not have the option to pass the credit card fees off to your customer. So you are stuck with the bill at the end of the month. So you are gonna have to pay the lump sum payment of $1,000, $2,000 if you use the traditional processing. But if you use the special processing that we have, you do not have to pay any of those processing fees because your customer can pay them for you. This is the same exact method that the DMV, Ticketmaster, even the gas station uses. So for example, if you go to a gas station, listed on the sign outside, you see a cash price, but when you drive up to go to the pump, that price listed is the card price. And they do this on purpose because they know that you as the consumer are not going to complain about a little tiny fee. You're just going to use your debit card or credit card to pay for your gas and then go on your way because it's convenient to pay with a card instead of going to the bank, going to an ATM, withdrawing cash, and then going back and paying for your gas. They know this, so instead of the business owner paying for the credit card fees, the customers are paying for the credit card fees, and you can do the same thing for your business. If you guys want this exact mPOS for your business, go ahead and click on that link down in the description section and in the comment section below. You can go over to our website where you can fill out your information, and we can hop on the phone with you to see if this is actually a good fit for your business or not. So that's all for this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.